Zikri Faisal, and I will talk about tricks and bugs in sign up page. As you can see, you can fill out username, password, confirm password, first name, last name, and email. In username, you can only fill letter, underscore, and numbers. In password, there must be more than 6 words and need to be same with confirm password. First name is open to all and email need to be a valid email. Okay, in the username, you can fill how to say
Tak dengar.
you can fill how to say fill Jamal lah. Boleh harus. Okay. Password you can go such as 128 12348.
And by clicking the submit button, you will send the data to the database. And if you click the reset button, it will reset the page. If you already have an account, you can click login here. Click submit. That's all for me. I will pass to Arif.
Thank you, Zikri, for explaining sign up page. My turn is login PHP login page. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Arif Daniel Brusi. I will show you how to log in this website. So if you have registered, if you have registered, you can directly use the username that you input at register. For example, you register as Jamal. Your password is, and then you can click login. Then it goes to main page. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Farah Wahida and I will be explaining to you about our main page for our website. So on the top of the main page, we have navigation bar and it contains home navigation as well as menu drop down. So when we click the menu drop down, we have my recipes and the categories which contains breakfast, lunch, dinner, and others. And then favorite, profile, and lastly logout. And on the right side of the main page, we have search bar function. And then under the navigation bar, we have carousel pictures. And then below it, we have all the recipes. And it has a picture, the recipe name, the glimpse of the description, as well as the view recipe button. So that's all from me. I'm passing this presentation to the next presenter.
Okay, thank you, Farah. Assalamualaikum. My name is Dia Aisyah bin Ibrahim, and I'll proceed with the view recipe button. First of all, if you click on the view recipe button, you will see the name and the image of the recipe. If you scroll down a little bit, you will see the description of the recipe provided by the author. you can see all the ingredients and the instruction. There is also the categories, which is also provided by the author. There will be also the add to favorite button. And lastly, there will be the author profile, which you can see the name and their social media if they put their social media into their profile. That's all from me.
Thank you, Dia. Now we will move on to another function from our website, which is the search function. Uh, okay, at the top right of our website, we have the search bar, and this search function is to search for any keywords that you key in the search bar. It will search for the title in the description and the author. So we will try with the ingredients first, which is in the description. Let's try search for bawang. And then we will click enter or search. We will see the result for bawang is suhun soup. To confirm this, we can click on view recipe. We can actually see at the description of suhun soup, we can see that there is the word bawang here, and that's why the suhun soup recipe is shown when we search for bawang. Now let's try to search for the author. Go to home. Okay, and in search bar, type me, M-E-E. Okay. Okay, for me, we can see that there are tons of recipes because this recipe is written by the same author. To confirm this, we could click on Mi Goreng Italy. Okay, scroll down. And we could see that the author profile name is Nur Amira Ardiana, which contain the words me, M-E-E. And that's why there are tons of recipes that is shown onto the page when we click search for the word me. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Atika. Okay. My name is not Atika Najwa binti Luqman. For my presentation part, if you click to the drop-down menu button, it will show you a few selection, but I will present for the categories. For the categories, we have the 4 categories: breakfast, lunch, dinner, and others. First, if you click on the breakfast button, they will display the menu in this category, which are suhun soup. Also, we can view the recipe if you click to the view recipe. Next, we go to the lunch button. Same goes to the breakfast button. You can see the menu in the lunch category will be displayed, which is dumpling ayam, nasi goreng kampung, ayam masak merah, and nasi dagang. They also have the view recipe button. Next is dinner button. So in the dinner button, we also have the menu in the dinner button, which is mi goreng Italy, and we have the view recipe button. The next is others. Others is the menu that does not belong to breakfast, lunch, and dinner, such as dessert. So there is 2 dessert menu here, which is strawberry layered cake and caramel pudding. We also can view the recipe. That's all from me. Let me pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nufarsa Zulaika. Now I'll present about favorite. For this part, favorite is where you add the recipe that you wanted to do later and you can review it on favorite part. So I will show you a few examples on how to add the menu to favorite. First, let's scroll down through the all menu here. So I would like to add nasi goreng kampung to favorite. So first, click on view recipe, scroll down, and click the button add to favorite. And then I would like to view on others category and click on view recipe on caramel pudding. Scroll down and click the button add to favorite. Now you can view the recipe add favorite. You can click on menu drop down and click on favorite. Now you have two menu there that we have added just now. You can only add one recipe. You can only add recipe to favorite one time. Now let's try to delete the recipe for caramel pudding. Click on the delete button. So the caramel pudding has been deleted from favorite recipes. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
My name is Nur Amira Adrana. Now I will present about my recipe part. First of all, we have to click on the menu drop down and then click my recipe. We don't have any recipe yet because we are a new user. We can add recipe by clicking the add recipe button on top of the page. And then we can try add one recipe, which is nasi lemak. And then we can add a short description, which is nasi lemak pandan. And then click breakfast for the category. Choose file, choose image for the nasi lemak recipe. And submit the recipe. Now the recipe will appear on your My Recipe page, and it will also appear at the home page. That is the recipe. And then you can also edit the recipe. We have to go back to the page and then click the edit recipe button. Let's try and edit the description. Now we will add one ingredient, which is santan. And we will click on the update recipe button. Now the recipe is updated. We can see the santan there, and then we can also delete the recipe. Click delete recipe. And then when we go homepage, when we go back to the homepage, the recipe will not appear. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. My name is Adani Fatini, and I'm gonna explain about our profile page. So first, in the main page, go to menu drop down and click on profile. So this is our profile page. We can add our profile picture by clicking choose file button. Choose our file and click on the upload new picture button. So here is our profile picture after it is being added. Next, in the user details box, we can actually change our first name, last name, email, and social media link. So to change our first name, just click on the input box and add XX. Okay, so after we are satisfied with our change, to update it, we can just click on the update details box below, and our details are updated. Okay, so from our profile page, we can also go back to our home page by clicking the home button on the navbar. And then we can also log out from our website by going to our profile page and just click on the logout button on the below at the below. Then they are going to send us to the login page. But that's all from us. Thank you.